Hello, now you're Tristan. Are you from Express Copy UK?
Yeah.
Now, what are the machines that you're selling? Juras. And you're going to tell me about this machine here. What's this machine called? Oh, this is a big machine, isn't it? Very big machine. Now, let's see, what drink? Let's have a look at all these different drink options we've got here. Looks very simple to use. Can you make me a latte? Show me how you're going to make me a latte. Is that all you have to do to make a latte?
Yeah.
You're getting good at making these coffees, aren't you?